Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest snack boxes for your kids when they get home from school. Sports season is among us. I have a baseball game tonight. My kids get home from school. We go straight to the game. So I have to have good, healthy snacks ready to go, and this is the easiest thing. So I'm making these little boxes. I have meat stick, string cheese, and I have Cheez-its and then some fresh strawberries. So I'm going to be making 2 of these, and I'll show you how to make it. So follow along.
I'm prepping a snack for my kids when they get home from school. They're always starving when they get home from school, so I like to make them these little snack packs. Perfect, fills them up, and that way I'm not dealing with all the complaining. So what I'm going to do today is some strawberries, some string cheeses, a beef stick, and then some Cheez-its. So let's get started. Just going to fill these up. Plus they like this because it's fun for them. They like that it's all together in one thing. Less cleanup for me. So then I'm going to open these string cheeses. And then I just dice these into little cubes. Those. Now I got my beef stick. I can get it open. Now I'm just going to dice this. I always like to have some sort of meat for them because otherwise they're complaining before dinner time that they're hungry. And then I have my strawberries. These are already washed and cleaned. Do some of those. Cut these into 4s. I may not even need this many strawberries. We'll see. See how full it gets. So I'm going to do 4 strawberries. And then voila, there you go. The perfect, just have my little lid snack for when they get home from school. Seal them up. Keep them in the fridge. And then I will probably bring these with me when I do school pickup just because they're starving and I can give them to them in the car.